Hello, today I'm going to present to you the new family of 3-axis digital accelerometers from STMicroelectronics. The family is composed by three main products: the LIS331 DLF 6-bit of resolution, the LIS331 DLM of 8-bit of resolution, and LIS331 DLH, the high-performance one, of 12-bit of resolution. All the products are fully compatible, so pin-to-pin compatible, motion compatible, and with this kind of characteristics we allow the user to improve the performance of the application without need of board redesign or huge modification of the software. So let's go through the main application enabled by this kind of sensors. Here we have the board mounting the 331 DLH sensor, so the 3x3 product, and simply switching from one tab to the other we can, for example, browse a map. So just tilting the device you can scroll the map, or you can detect inclination along each of the 3 axes, and this is of course one of the most common applications. And obviously you can also have a look to the real acceleration data on each axis. So the green and red colored are the X and Y axis, while the blue one is the Z axis. So for example, if I turn the device face up, face down, you will see that the Z axis is now minus 1G. Let's go now to see the main application introduced and the main feature introduced by this new family of sensors. This is the so-called sleep-to-wake function. Since we have target a real low power consumption device suitable for battery operated devices, these functions allow the user to rely on a really low power consumption device. If we set the function, you will see that the current consumption of the device is now down to 8 microampere, but the reading chain is still active, so the sensor is still sampling the acceleration data. If you have a look now to the plot tab, you will see that the 3 lines are still moving, so the sensor is active and sampling the acceleration data, the acceleration with a low data rate. So here we have 1 Hz of output data rate, but it's fully selectable by the user, and the current consumption is really low. As soon as I move the sensor, it's now back in the normal mode, so the current consumption is now something like 0.2 milliampere, so really competitive, and the output data rate has automatically increased to the normal mode. So this is a really new function and really useful for every application in which power consumption is the main feature required. For further information, please visit us at st.com.